Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to my channel DJ to Learn with Mukesh. Today in this video, we will discuss NCERT Class 3 Math, some possible multiple choice questions for half yearly examination. That means from the chapter where to look from to the chapter time goes on. So without being late, let us start this video. So class 3 subject mathematics content objective type questions OTQ, that means MCQ, multiple choice questions carrying 1 mark each. Each question has 4 options, but out of these only one is correct answer. So we will select the correct one. So first of all we will discuss chapter 1, where to look from. Okay, so first question is, here is a picture of a car. This is the best view of a car: top view, front view, side view, can say. So the answer will be side view. Next, this is the desk view of a table: top view. Next, this is the desk view of a pressure cooker. Yes, students, this is the desk view of a pressure cooker. This is the side view. Next, this is the desk view of a pressure cooker, top view. Next, this is the desk view of a bus. Yes, side view. Okay, students. Next question. Which English alphabet is divided into equal mirror halves? You can see here all the alphabets, all the English letters are divided into mirror halves. Next, which three items are having top views? You can see the staircase, the table and the pencil. So staircase, table and pencil are having top views. Okay. The second one, second staircase. First staircase is side view. The second one is your what we call top view. So staircase, table and pencil. Next, there are dash squares in above image. 1, 2, 3. So 3 squares. We will get dash words after completing above mirror halves. Here we will get HOE, right? Here you will get MOW, and here you will get HID, hide. Let us see. HOE, here MOW, here HIDE. So HOE, MOW and HID. HOE, MOW and HID. This one. Next, we will get dash letters after unfolding these papers. If you unfold these papers, then you will get here A, here C, here H, here U, here B, here K. So A C H U B K. A C H U B K. This one. Next, draw the mirror halves of this image and complete it. Yes, I can draw. No, it is not possible. Can't say, do not know. Yes, I can draw. We can draw. Okay, like this we can draw. We can draw here, right? So yes. Next, which image is not cut into mirror halves? This one, B. Which image is not cut into mirror halves? This one, right? And this one also. This is also not cut into mirror halves. C and D. C and D also. Next, which images are cut into mirror halves? This one and this one, C and D. Then, did the painter make all drawings correctly? You can see all the drawings have mirror house, that means symmetry. So, yes, the painter made all drawings correctly. Then do addition of 113, 114 and 115. The answer will be 113 plus 115 plus 114. The answer will be, yes, we can add here 113 plus 114 plus 115. So the answer after addition you will get 3, 4, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. यहाँ पे 2, यहाँ पे carry over 1. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So 342. This one will be rectified. 342. Answer will be 342. Next, subtract 552 from 2552. So 2552 minus 552, we will get, yes, 2000, right? We will get 2000. Next, multiply 150 by 2. 150 multiply by 2. 150 multiply by 2 will get 300, right? We will get 300. Next, divide 260 into 2 equal numbers. If you divide 260 into 2 equal numbers, the answer will be 260 divided by 2. So 260 divided by 2 equal to 130, right? 130. Next, the next number to 999. 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. Greatest 3-digit number. So after 999, the number will be 1000, right? That will be the smallest 4-digit number, 1000. Next, fun with numbers. Okay. So here is a table: name, number of seeds collected. Who collected greatest number of seeds in the group? You can see here Indra collected 54 seeds, right? So Indra collected greatest number of seeds. Next, who collected lowest number of seeds? Lowest number of seeds collected by Radhika, that is 24. So answer will be Radhika. Radhika collected lowest number of seeds in the group. Whose collection is equal to 25 plus 13? 25 plus 13 equal to 25 plus 13 equal to 38. Okay. So we have to find out who had collected 38 seeds. Sunil. So answer will be Sunil. Whose collection is 5 less than the number of Gauri seeds? So answer will be number of seeds collected by Gauri minus 5. Gauri collected 47. So 47 minus 5 equal to 42. So 42 number of seeds had been collected by Vicky. So answer will be Vicky. Next, here are scores given, player and scores scored by them. What is the score of APJ? APJ scored 128. 128. In expanded form, it will be 100 plus 20 plus 8. What is the score of CK? CK scored 99. Okay. So 50 plus 40 plus 6. Then who scored 62 more than a century? Who scored 62 more than a century? Century means 100. More than 62. So 62 plus 100 equal to 162. So we have to find out who had scored 162. 162. Yes, DM. So answer will be DM. Who scored 40 more than the score by TPK? So answer will be score of TPK plus 40. Score of TPK is 112 plus 40 equal to 152, right? So who scored 152? We have to find out. Yes, KSP. So answer will be KSP. Answer is not given. So answer will be KSP. Okay. Score of TPK plus 40. Score of TPK is 112 plus 40 152. So the answer will be 152 by KSP. But option is not given here. So answer will be KSP. What is the total of scores of AS and PK? So AS 100 plus PK 105. So total score will be 100 plus 105 equal to 205. So answer will be 205. What is the score of VBS? Score of VBS 127. 127. Who scored 2 more than 1.5 century? Acha. 1.5 century means 1 century plus half century. 1 century means 100 plus half century means 50. Right? So 1.5 century means 150. Then 2 plus 2. So answer will be 152. Right? So who scored 152? We have to find out. 152 had been scored by KSP. So answer will be KSP here. Then 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, blank, 140, 150, 160. Find the missing number in counting by 10. So the number answer will be after 120. If you add 10, then you will get 130. Then find the missing number in counting by 50. 0, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250. Then next will be 300. Find the missing number in counting by 100. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. Then answer will be 900. Find the number 700 plus 40 plus 3 equal to 743. Then which number comes between 280 and 299? 199 does not come. 301 also does not come. 319 also does not come. So the answer will be 287. 287 comes between 280 and 299. Then subtract 480 from 1000. So if you will subtract, okay, 480 from 1000, okay, from 1000 you will get 0. यहाँ पे बोरो करेंगे 10, then 10 minus 8 2, यहाँ पे 9 minus 4 9 minus 4 5, so 520, right? Then multiply a century by 10. Century means 100. 100 multiplied by 10 equal to, answer will be 1000. 100 multiplied by 10 will be 1000. Then divide 390 into 3 equal numbers. So 390 divided by 3. Divided by 3, answer will be 130. 130. Next, the next number to be double century. Double century means 200, right? 100 means 1 century. So 2 century means 1200 means 200. So 200 plus 1. Next number 200 plus 1, that will be 200 plus 1. Next chapter, give and take. Find the missing number. 80 minus 35 equal to 45. This one is correct. Then 45 plus 35 equal to 80. Okay. 45 plus 35 will be 80. Then total oranges with girls and boys. Total oranges with girls and boys. Girls 136, boys 128. So 100 plus 36 plus 100 plus 28. This one. Next, total mangoes with girls and boys. Total mangoes. Girls 240 and boys 243. That means 240 plus 243. Right. 240 means 100 plus 100 plus 40. Right. Then 243 means 100 plus 100 plus 43. So this one. Okay. Then total oranges and mangoes with girls. Total oranges and mangoes with girls. Total oranges and mangoes with girls. 136 oranges and mangoes 244. So 136 plus 240. 136 plus 240. 100 plus 36 plus 200 plus 40. Okay. Then total oranges and mangoes with boys. With boys, 128 plus 243. 128, 128 plus 243. 128 plus 243. Right. Then next question. The total number of fruits in all with boys and girls. Total number of fruits will be 136 plus 128 plus 240 plus 243. We have to add all the numbers, right? So 136 plus 128 plus 240 plus 243. 136 plus 128 plus 240 plus 243. Then what is the missing number? What is the missing number? 55 plus 45 plus dash equal to 200. So we have to add 55 and 44. Then we have to subtract the number from 200. So if we add 55 plus 44, we will get 100, right? Then we will subtract 100, okay, from 200. So 200 minus 100 will be equal to 100. So the answer will be 100. Next, what is the missing number? 460 plus 540 plus 1000 equal to dash plus 500. Yes, 460 plus 540 equal to 400 a 500, total 900. 900 a 60 plus 40, 100, so 1000. Okay, right, matlab 1000. 1000 plus 1000, total 2000. 2000 equal to dash plus 500. Dash plus 500. So if you subtract 500 from 2000, then we will get the answer. Okay, so 2000 minus 500, answer will be 1500. This one, right? Then what is the missing number? 40 plus 500 plus 1000 equal to dash plus 600 plus 40. Okay, so here 40 40 equal, then here 500 plus 1000, it will be 1500, and here 600. So how much less? We have to subtract 600 plus minus 600 from 1500. So 1500 minus 600, so answer will be 900. Next, what is the missing number here? Here you can see 122 plus 128, it will give 250, right? 250 plus 850, okay, equal to dash plus 500 plus 50. So 500 plus 50, it will give 550, right? 550. So this side 250 plus 850, this side 550. So how much less is this side from this side? So if you will add these two numbers, then we will get again 200 plus 800, 1000 plus 50 plus 50, 100. So total 1100. That means 1100. This side 550. So how much less is 550 than 1100? So we have to subtract. Then we will get 550. Right? So this one will be the answer. Then next. Raju purchased one notebook of 25 rupees and one pen of 9 rupees. He paid 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. He will get dash in return. So total he have to pay 25 plus 9. That means 34. But he paid 50. So he will get 50 minus 34. 50 minus 34 equal to 16. 16 rupees he will get in return. Then Rohan purchased one cake of rupees 105 and one chocolate of rupees 25. So he paid 500 rupees to the shopkeeper. He will get how much rupees in return? So you have to add 105 plus 25, then we have to subtract from 500. So total cost 105 plus 25 equal to 130. But he paid 500, so he will get in return 500 minus 130, right? So he will get 370. Next, Rohini purchased one pencil box of 65 rupees and two pens of 20 rupees. She paid 200 rupees to the shopkeeper. She will get dash rupees in return. So here she purchased a 65 pencil box, one pencil box. So 65, one pencil box cost 65 rupees plus two pens of 20 rupees. So it will cost 40 because she purchased two pens. One pen 20 rupees, two pens 40 rupees. Total cost 65 plus 40 equal to 105. But she gave 200. So she will get in return 200 minus 105. So answer will be 95. Next, find the missing number in counting by 100. 140, 240, 340, 440, 540, then next will be 640. Find the missing number. 700 plus 400 plus 300 plus 40 equal to 700 plus 700 plus blank. So here 700, 700 equal. Here 700, here 400 plus 300 equal to 700. So 700, 700 equal. Then next, the rest number is 40. So here you can fill 40. So answer will be 40. Next, which number comes between 199 and 205? So the number which comes between 199 and 205 will be 200. Subtract 250 from 2000. 2000 minus 250. Answer will be 1750. Multiply 40 by 25. If you multiply 40 by 25, then you will get 1000. Divide 560 into 4 equal numbers. If you divide 560 by 4, you will get 560 divided by 4, you will get 140. The next number to 198. 190, 1998. The next number will be 1999. Next, long and short. Find the length of the iron nail. Iron nail, this one. 4 centimeter. Then the length of this pencil is 12 centimeter. Then the length of the blue pencil, this one, blue pencil is 16 centimeter. Then the length of the green pencil, this one, 10 centimeter. Then the units to measure length are centimeter, meter and kilometer. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. The length of road from Lucknow to Delhi will be kilometer, centimeter, meter, feet. Kilometer. It must be kilometer. Okay. The length of our school playground. School playground will be your 200 meter. Right. The length of my geometry box. Geometry box length 20 centimeter can be. The height of my chair. Height of my chair can be 100 centimeter. Not more than 100 centimeter, not less than 100 centimeter. That means 10 centimeter can't be. So the height of my chair must be 100 centimeter. Convert 5 kilometer into meter. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So 5 kilometer will be 5000 meter. Convert 5 meter into centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 5 meter will be 500 centimeter. Which is the longest rope among these? 600 meters, 640 centimeter, 4 meter, 44 meter. So longest rope will be this one, 600 meter. Which building is highest among these? 40 meter, 900 centimeter, 400 meter, 300 centimeter. So 400 meter is the highest. Then which is the longest road? Longest road. Which one? 301 kilometer. Subtract 1000 meter from 9 kilometer. So 9 kilometer equal to 9000 meter. So 9000 meter minus 1000 meter equal to 8000 meter. Subtract 300 centimeter from 5 meter. 5 meter equal to 500 centimeter. So 500 centimeter minus 300 centimeter equal to 200 centimeter. Divide 4 kilometer into 4 equal length. 4 kilometer divided by 4 equal to 1 kilometer, and 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Divide 12 meter into 4 equal lengths. 12 meter divided by 4 equal to 3 meter. 3 meter equal to, yes, this one, 3 meter already given here. Then next, shapes and designs. A triangle has dash sides. A triangle has 1, 2, 3, 3 sides. The rectangle and square have dash sides. Rectangle has 1, 2, 3, 4. Square also has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, each of them. Then a pentagon has 5 sides. This is the pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Then the hexagon. Hexagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. Hexagon has 6 sides. Then the cube has dash corners. That means vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners. The cube has dash faces. Face. How many faces? 6 faces, right? You can check by looking a Ludo box. Okay. A dice, you can find 6 faces. Okay. Upper face, lower face, and side may 4 faces. Total 6 faces. Then this cone has dash corners. Corners only one vertex, right? So one corner. Then the ball has dash corners. Ball has 0 corner because this is a sphere. Sphere has no corners. Okay. Then this cylinder has dash corners. Cylinder also has no corners, 0 corners, right? Then this design is made using triangles. Then this chessboard is made using square. Then this chessboard has dash squares. You will find how many squares along the length and then along the breadth, then you will multiply, then you can get the answer. So along the length, how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And along the breadth, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 into 8 equal to 64. So total 64 squares must be there. 64 squares. Next, this rectangle is cut into two equal triangles, right? Then the yellow color design consists of dash small squares. We have to find how many along the length and how many along the breadth, then you have to multiply. Along the length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Along the breadth 1, 2, 3, 4. So total will be 5 into 4, that is 20. This full sheet has dash small squares. You have to find along the length, along the breadth, then you will multiply. Along the length, how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Along the breadth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 into 10. Okay. So answer will be 100. Next, count the small squares to make green design. Okay, green design. So you have to find out how many squares are there along the length, then along the breadth, then you can simply multiply. So along the length, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Along the breadth, 1, 2, 3. So 8 into 3, that will be 24. Okay. Then count the small squares to make blue design. Blue design, simply you have to again count. Okay, along the length 1, 2, 3. Along the breadth 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 into 6 will be 18. Then this full sheet grid has just small squares. You will count along the length, then along the breadth, then you will multiply. So along the length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. 24. Along the breadth 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 24 multiply by 8. You will get 192, right? Sorry, 8 4s are 32. 2 यहाँ पे 3 carry over, then 8 2s are 16 plus 3, yes, 19. So 192, total 192. Okay. Next, count the squares to make H alphabet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Then divide 2500 squares into 4 equal parts. So 2500 you have to divide by 4. You will get 625, right? 625 squares you will get. The next chapter, fun with give and take. There are 27 girls and 25 boys in class 3A. Guess the total number of students in the class. 27 plus 25 equal to 52. That will be more than 50. There are 44 apples and 55 guavas are in a basket. Guess the total of fruits. Total number of fruits in the basket. 44 plus 55 equal to 99. So less than 100. Then a building has 600 rooms and every room has 2 doors and 3 windows. Can you guess how many total doors? Yes. A building has 600 rooms and every room has 2 doors and 3 windows. Can you guess how many total doors? So in each room there are 2 doors. So in 600 rooms there will be 600 into 2. That will be 1200 doors, right? So 1200 is more than 1000. Okay. Then a building has a 600 rooms and every room has 2 doors and 3 windows. Can you guess how many total window? So in each room 3 window. So in 600 room there will be 600 into 3, that will be 1800, right? 1800 is more than 1500. What is the total of doors and windows in the building? Total doors 600 into 2, 1200, and so the total windows 600 into 3, 1800. Total number of doors and windows 1200 plus 1800, 1300, right? Sorry, 3000. That will be equal to 3000. That means 3000, that is 3000. A garden has total 320 plants. Out of these 150 are roses and others are marigolds. So can you get number of marigolds? Yes. 320 minus 150 equal to 170. A bus has 32 seats. How many passengers can accommodate in 10 such buses? You have to multiply 32 into 10. That will be 320. A balloon seller has 1500 balloons. He sold half of these till evening. Now he has, as a half of 1500 is 750, right? So 750 balloons he sold. Then rest balloons also half of the total balloons, that is equal to 750 again. So a box has 64 biscuit packets. Calculate biscuits packets in 9 such boxes. You have to multiply 64 into 9, right? One box में 64 pockets. A box has 64 biscuit pockets. A calculate biscuit pockets in 9 such boxes. So 64 into 9. 64 into 9, you will get 9 fours are 36, right? 6 by 3. Then 9 6 are 54, right? 9 6 are 54 plus 3, 57. So 576 answer. Okay. So if you subtract 64 from 640, then you will get 76. So this one will be the answer. 640 minus 64. If you will subtract this sum, you will do this sum, you will get 576, which is the total number of packets in 9 such boxes. Okay. Then a pen cost 19 rupees. Calculate cost of 5 pens. So 19 into 5, 95. So 95, 100 minus 5, that will be your 95. Okay. Then in a shop 10 bags have 550 kg of grain. Calculate the weight of grain in 8 bags. Acha. 10 bags 550, that means one bag में 55, one bag में 55 kg. That means in 8 bag 55 into 8, right? So 55 into 8 you will get in 8 bags. So 55 into 8. The answer will be your 55 into 8 equal to, it will be how much? 440, right? So 440. So 550 minus 110 equal to 450. This one will be the right answer. This one. Okay. This one, first one. Well, second one, 550 minus 110. Then calculate 70 times 5. 70 times 5 means 70 into 5. That may be 70 plus 70 plus 70 plus 70 plus 70. You have to add 5 times 70, right? Then which is equal to 628. 628. This one. 1000 minus 372. If you subtract 372 minus from 1000, then you will get 628. You can subtract. Okay, students. Next, which number is equal to 477 plus 433? So 477 plus 433 will be equal to 400 plus 400, 800. Okay. 70 plus 30, 100. Okay. 7 plus 3, 10. So total will be 910. 910. Okay. So where is 910? This one. 1000 minus 90 equal to 910. Okay. This one. Then which number is equal to 2 times 650? 650 into 2. That will be 1300. Right. 650 ka double. 1300. So where is 1300? 1300. This one. 1200 plus 50 plus 50. That this will be 1300. Sugar is available at 42. Okay, per kg. Rupees per 2 kgs. Rupees per kg. We can have dash kg sugar of for rupees 100. So cost of 1 kg of sugar is 42. So 2 kg will be 86. Okay, 3 kg will be 126, but you have only 100, so you will get more than 2 kg. Okay, in 84 rupees you will get 2 kg, then another 16 rupees you will get some sugar. So total more than 2 kg will be there. Salt is available at 17 rupees per kg. We can have dash kg salt of rupees 100 for rupees 100. So 1 kg cost 17 rupees, right? So in 100, how much you can get? Acha, 1 kg 17 rupees. Okay, 17 rupees में 1 kg. Then 17 का डबल 34 रुपीस में 2 kg. 17 का ट्रिपल 51. ओके, 51 रुपीस में 3 kg. 17 का मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 करेंगे तो 68 रुपीस में यू कैन बाय 4 kg. ओके, then 17 5s are 85 में you can buy 5 kg. Then 17 6s are 102. So it is more than what we call, it is more than 100, so you can buy. So only 5 kg, 5 kg, and another you will get the rest money 15 rupees, right? After purchasing 5 kg by paying 85, you have left some money, you will have some money of 15 rupees. So in 15 rupees you will get some uh, amount also. So total will be your 5 kg, more than 5 kg, right? Then if we divide 8000 by 5, you will divide 8000 by 5, then you will get this one, 1600. You can divide. Okay, if we multiply 175 by 3, you will get 175 plus 175 plus 175. Okay, multiply 175 by 3, that means you have to add 3 times 175. This will be the same answer. This will give the same answer. Subtract 213 from 5000. So 5000 minus 213, you will get more than 4000. More than 4000 but less than 5000, right? So more than 4000 you will get. Then next, time goes on. This is the last chapter for half yearly. So this is the birth certificate. Date of birth is given in this birth certificate is, you can see date of birth 2/5/200. That means your 2nd May 2002. That is this one, 2nd May 2002. Date of registration. Date of registration is your the same. Date of birth is equal to date of registration. That is 2nd May 2002. Then a simple year has days. How many days? Simple year has 365 days. A leap year has one more day, that is 360 6 days, because in a leap year the February month becomes 29 days, one more day. So total days, number of days in a leap year will be 360. Okay, one more than the simple year. Then a year has days month. Year kitna month? Year has 12 months. Then January, March, May, July, October, December have days each. All these months have 31 days, right? I have told you how to find how many days are there by your finger, right? So 31 days. Then a week has days hours. Week has, one day has 24 hours, and 1 week has 4 days, sorry, 7 days. So 24 into 7, right? 24 into 7 hours. Okay. Then a day has days minutes. A day has 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, and in a day there are 24 hours. Okay. So 24 into 60 minutes. Then an hour is days minute. An hour is 60 minutes. Then a minute has days seconds. A minute has 60 seconds. Okay. Then this is the calendar of November month 2020. Okay. How many Sundays are in November? November, you can see the red color numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 Sundays are there. 26th 11th 2020 is 26th. This one is on Thursday, right? This is on Thursday. Then second Saturday is on second Saturday. Second Saturday. This is first Saturday. This is second Saturday. Second Saturday is on Saturday. Okay. 14th November. 14th November. Right. 14th November. This one is also Children's Day. We observe Children's Day, right, on 14th September. Sorry, 14th November. Okay. Then can you find a day of 1/12/2020? Yes, this month ends on 13th November, that is on Monday. So the next day will be of December 1st, that will be obviously on Tuesday, right? This one, Tuesday. So Tuesday. Then I am 8 years old on 13 March 2020. I will be days years old on 13 March 2025. So 2020 and 2025, the gap is of 5 years. So he will be 5 years more. So 8 plus 5, right? So 13 years. Okay. Then my grandfather born in 1975. He is days years old in 2020. So he born in 1975. So in 2020, how much he will be get old? So 2020 minus 1, 1975. 2020 minus 1975. You will get how much here? 25 plus 20. 45 years, right? You will get 45 years. Then year 2019 has 365 days and year 2020 has 366 days, because 2019 is a normal year and 2020 is a leap year. Total days in both years are 365 plus 366. You will get, yes, 731, right? You will get 731. You can add 365 plus 366. You will get 731. Rajesh says 500 rupees in a month. He will save how much rupees in 12 months? So 500 into 12, you will get 500 into 12. You will get 6,000. Okay. If we multiply number of days in April by 10, number of days in April equal to how much? Number of days in April equal to, you can find out by using a finger. January, February, March, April, 30. January, February, March, April, 30. So 30 multiplied by 10 equal to, you will get 300. Subtract January, the number of days in April 30, then you have to multiply by 10. So 30 into 10 equal to 300. Subtract January and December months from 2020, the days left. Achha. The number of days in 2020 will be 366, because this is a leap year. So 366 minus, subtract January and December. January is 31 days. December also 31 days. So 31 plus 31, 62. So you have to minus 62 days from 366. So 366 minus 62. Okay, January 31 days, December 31 days. 31 plus 31, 62 days. You have to minus 62 days from 2020. That means 2020 has 366 days. So 366 minus 62. This will be the answer. Okay, students. So we have discussed all the MCQ questions from the chapter where to look from to time goes on. So I hope you might have understood. Okay. So keep learning, keep growing, and practice more for FL exam. Wish you all the best for the exam. Thank you.